Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging both display and PC. This prevents shorts. Next, examine the 15-pin connector. Look for bent pins, corrosion, or frayed shielding because those cause intermittent signals. Once done, hand tighten the thumb screws. Loose screws let the connector vibrate free. If you have a spare VGA cable or adapter, prepare it now. Swapping quickly isolates whether the cable or the port is faulty. You're acting fast to separate cable faults from device faults. Now you diagnose by swapping. Connect a known good VGA cable to the same port. If the image returns, the original cable is the culprit. If not, try the suspect cable on a different monitor. This tells you whether the port or the display is failing. While testing, reseat the connectors and use compressed air to clear dust, because tiny debris can interrupt contact. Also check display settings and resolution scaling. Mismatched timings often look like a bad cable when it's actually signal alignment. To finish, repair only minor pin bends. You realign pins gently with small needle nose pliers because forcing them breaks contacts. Replace the cable if any pins are missing or heavily corroded, since reliability matters. For long runs, use shielded cables or ferrite cores to reduce interference and avoid sharp bends that stress wires. If you're converting VGA to digital, test with a known good adapter and verify graphics driver output. This often resolves handshake problems when analog meets digital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.